Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best treadmills for home is probably one of the most effective ways to achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to improve your cardiovascular health, shed some pounds, or simply stay active, a treadmill with a 300 pounds weight capacity can be a game changer. In this video, we'll dive into the top treadmills designed for home use, helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. UMAY 3.0 HP Folding Incline Treadmill. This treadmill offers versatile training with 3 manual incline levels, reaching up to a 10% grade. It's perfect for high-intensity interval training and simulating climbs, helping you burn calories effectively. Folding is quick and easy with a simple foot press on the hydraulic release system. Integrated transport wheels allow for easy storage and movement, making it ideal for small spaces. Enjoy powerful, ultra-quiet operation with a commercial-grade motor. It supports speeds from 0 to 8.7 miles per hour and a 300 pounds weight capacity, making it a great choice for home use. Experience exceptional comfort on the extra-wide deck, featuring independent suspension and 7-layer shock absorption. This provides joint-friendly cushioning, perfect for home workouts. Track your heart rate, speed, distance, time, and calories with the intuitive touchscreen display. Convenient handrail controls offer complete workout monitoring on this foldable treadmill, keeping track of your stats. What we like. This treadmill offers a 3-level manual incline, perfect for simulating climbs. It also folds easily with a hydraulic system, making storage a breeze. If you have limited space and enjoy a customizable workout, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The treadmill is very sturdy and handles my weight with no issues. The incline and speed controls are easy to use. It has a good variety of pre-programmed workouts. Number 4. Merax 3.0 HP Foldable Treadmill with Incline. This Merax treadmill boasts a quiet yet powerful 3.0 HP motor. It allows you to walk, jog, or run smoothly. It supports users up to 300 pounds and offers a speed range from 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour. The treadmill features a 6% manual incline, helping you burn more calories. It is foldable for easy storage. This feature allows you to customize your workout intensity. It incorporates 12 scientifically designed high-intensity interval training programs. These programs are designed to maximize fat burning. Choose the plan that best suits your fitness goals. The treadmill has a 7-layer running belt with silicone shock pads. This system minimizes impact on your joints. It provides a comfortable and low-impact workout experience. The LED display shows time, distance, speed, calories, and heart rate. Integrated hand pulse sensors are on the handles. This allows you to easily monitor your progress. We offer 24/7 customer support with satisfaction guarantees. It comes with a 5-year quality assurance for the machine and a 1-year warranty for accessories. We are here to help you. What we like. This treadmill features a powerful yet quiet motor and offers a 6% manual incline to boost calorie burn. With 12 preset HIIT programs, it helps you maximize your workout efficiency. If you are looking for structured, high-intensity interval training, this machine is ideal. What people say. The treadmill is easy to assemble. The treadmill has a good weight capacity. The treadmill is sturdy and stable during workouts. Number 3. THERUN Treadmill, Incline, 3.5 HP, app, heart rate. This THERUN treadmill is designed for serious runners. It features a robust frame and a powerful 3.5 HP motor, ready for your toughest workouts. The quiet motor allows you to focus on your run. Built with a strong alloy steel frame, this treadmill can handle up to 300 pounds. Whether you're training for a marathon or just starting out, it provides a stable and reliable platform. It is perfect for various users. Enjoy a 0 to 15% auto incline and speeds up to 10 miles per hour. The built-in shock absorbers provide a comfortable and stable running experience. This feature helps you to build endurance and recover. Connect to the app via Bluetooth to track your progress. Monitor your speed, incline, time, and more on the digital display. Various shortcut buttons will adjust the incline and speed levels conveniently. With a wide belt and a generous running surface, you'll have plenty of room to move. The 5-layer belt offers durability and traction. It gives you plenty of space as you run. This treadmill folds up easily for storage. It arrives mostly assembled and sets up in minutes. Transport wheels make it easy to move around your home. What we like. This treadmill boasts an auto incline feature, allowing for easy adjustments during your run. It also integrates with apps via Bluetooth, letting you track your progress seamlessly. If you like a tech-savvy workout experience with incline variations, you should consider this one. What people say. The incline feature is a game-changer, letting me simulate hill training right at home. The speed settings are easy to control, and the digital display gives clear readings of time, distance, and calories burned. It's incredibly compact, making it perfect for a garage setup without taking up much space. Number 2. Redliro walking treadmill with long handrail. For those who need extra support, this treadmill features a multi-grip handrail. It helps maintain balance and prevents falls. In case of emergencies, the safety key ensures immediate power disconnection. Don't let weather stop your exercise routine. This walking machine allows you to walk every day, regardless of the conditions. It also features a 6-layer running belt and a shock absorption system to protect your knees. Keep track of your progress with the easy-to-read LCD display. It shows distance, calories burned, heart rate, and speed. Simple buttons make it easy to operate, and it also has 12 preset modes for other family members. Enjoy walks and jogs with the 2.25 peak horsepower motor, ranging from 0.5 to 5.5 miles per hour. The motor is quiet and provides a better speed adjustment. It is built with premium materials and supports up to 300 pounds. The armrest can be removed if needed, and the treadmill is foldable for easy storage. It also has transportation wheels, making it easy to move from room to room. It doesn't take up much space when folded. What we like. This treadmill prioritizes safety with an extended handrail and a safety key for immediate power cutoff. The easy-to-read LCD display is perfect for all users. If you are looking for a safe and user-friendly option, especially for those needing extra support, this is a great choice. What people say. It works beautifully, it's relatively quiet, and the size makes it a great fit for our townhouse. The controls are simple, with the ability to use pre-programmed exercise periods, or to change the speed manually with just the touch of a button. It is easy to set up, use and maintain. It's very quiet, runs smoothly and is built well for safety. It has an emergency shut-off if one falls and long handrails that not only reduce the risk of falling, but provide additional easy access to buttons on the rail for changing the speed or turning it off, so you don't have to remove your hands from the rail to use these features on the console. The console displays how you are doing, time, speed, distance, and lets you select different programs. I love the long handrails, makes me feel safe and secure that it doesn't have an incline, which is fine with me. I want to get in my daily steps, which is great since I live in an area with very high summer temperatures, which makes walking outdoors difficult. I would say it's well made. Just the right size for my house. Number 1. YOSUDA Walking Pad Treadmill with Auto Incline. Want to boost your fat-burning potential? This walking pad features a 9% incline, helping you burn calories faster and reach your fitness goals more quickly. It's a great way to enhance your workout. Easily adjust the incline with the remote control. This treadmill offers a 3-stage incline feature for safe and gradual slope changes. You don't need to stop your workout to make adjustments, keeping you focused. Experience the quiet power of the 2.5 HP motor. This walking pad treadmill operates smoothly and quietly, allowing you to work or attend online meetings without interruption. It's designed for your convenience. Built with premium polymers, this underdesk treadmill supports up to 300 pounds. The 42.5 by 16.9 inch 6-layer belt provides excellent knee protection and comfort. It's built to last and keep you comfortable. The large LED screen ensures easy reading of your fitness data. See all your stats at a glance without switching screens. This feature streamlines your workout experience. Pause your workout anytime, and the data will resume where you left off. Please note that the data resets when the walking pad is turned off. It's designed to fit your busy life. We are dedicated to your satisfaction. We offer a comprehensive support program with a customer service team available around the clock. We are here to help you. What we like. This walking pad treadmill offers an auto incline feature for easy adjustments. The silent motor ensures you can work or take calls without interruption. If you like a compact, quiet treadmill with incline options for under-desk use, this is the one for you. What people say. The incline feature allows me to increase intensity, giving my abs, glutes, and legs a better workout. It's smaller than a full-size treadmill, so it doesn't take up much space and is easy to store. The display on the treadmill is bright and easy to read while exercising. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.